If you're looking to make some extra cash online, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the 5 easiest ways to make money online for beginners. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking to supplement your income, these methods are simple, accessible, and require little to no upfront investment. So let's get started. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most flexible ways to make money online, especially if you have a skill or talent that others need. You could be a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or even a social media manager. There's a demand for almost every skill set. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to create a profile, showcase your portfolio, and start bidding on projects. The great thing about freelancing is that you can work from anywhere in the world, choose your own clients, and set your own rates. For beginners, I recommend starting on Fiverr. Why? Because Fiverr allows you to offer gigs starting at $5, making it easier to get your first few clients. As you build your reputation, you can increase your prices and take on bigger projects. Over time, what starts as a side hustle can turn into a full-time income. Tips for success. Create a strong portfolio. Even if you don't have client work to show off, create sample projects to demonstrate your skills. Niche down. The more specialized you are, the easier it will be to stand out. For example, instead of just being a writer, you could specialize in SEO blog writing or product descriptions. Deliver quality. Always over-deliver on your projects. Happy clients will leave positive reviews, which are crucial for attracting more business. 2. Affiliate marketing. This method involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's a fantastic option for beginners because you don't need to create your own product or handle customer service. Here's how it works. You sign up for an affiliate program such as Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank. After that, you'll receive a unique referral link that tracks any sales back to you. All you need to do is promote that link, either through a blog, social media, YouTube videos, or even email marketing. Let's say you run a blog about home workouts. You could write a post about the best fitness equipment and include affiliate links to the products you recommend. If a reader clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that simple. Tips for success. Choose products you believe in. Only promote products that you've personally used or genuinely believe in. Your audience will trust your recommendations more. Create valuable content. Your content should provide value first, and the affiliate link should naturally fit in. This way, your audience won't feel like they're being sold to. Diversify your platforms. Don't rely on just one traffic source. Use a combination of blogs, YouTube, social media, and email lists to reach a broader audience. 3. Online surveys and market research. While it may not be the most lucrative option, it's certainly one of the easiest ways to make some quick cash. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback to improve their products and services, and they're willing to pay for your opinion. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research offer cash or gift cards in exchange for completing surveys or participating in focus groups. You won't get rich doing this, but it's a simple way to earn some extra money in your spare time. The key to making the most out of online surveys is to sign up for multiple platforms. This way, you'll have a steady stream of surveys to complete. Also, look out for high-paying surveys or special focus groups that can pay significantly more than the average survey. Tips for success. Be honest. Always provide accurate and honest answers. If the platform detects inconsistency, you could be disqualified from future surveys. Complete your profile. Filling out your profile completely ensures you're matched with surveys that are relevant to you, increasing your chances of qualifying. Set a routine. Dedicate a specific time each day to complete surveys. Over time, the small earnings will add up. 4. Selling digital products. This method is ideal for creative individuals who can create something of value, like an ebook, printables, stock photos, or even music. The beauty of selling digital products is that you create the product once, and it can be sold an unlimited number of times. For instance, if you're good at graphic design, you could create printable planners or social media templates and sell them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market. If you're a writer, you could write an ebook and sell it on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. The upfront work is creating the product, but once it's up and running, it can become a passive income stream. Plus, digital products don't require inventory or shipping, making it a low-maintenance way to earn money online. Tips for success. Identify a niche. Find a specific problem that your digital product can solve. The more niche your product, the better it will perform. Create high-quality products. Invest time in making your digital products look professional. Quality matters. especially when customers are paying for it. Market your products. Just because you've created a product doesn't mean people will find it. Use social media, SEO, and email marketing to drive traffic to your product listings. 5. Online tutoring and teaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject, whether it's math, science, languages, or even music, you can share your knowledge with students online. This is a fantastic way to earn money while making a positive impact on someone's life. Websites like VIPKid, Teachable, and Udemy allow you to teach anything from academic subjects to personal hobbies. For example, if you're fluent in English, you could teach English as a second language to students in other countries. Or if you're a guitar enthusiast, you could create an online course teaching beginners how to play. Online tutoring can be done on a one-on-one basis, while online courses can reach a wider audience and generate passive income over time. The demand for online education is growing, making this a viable and rewarding option for beginners. Tips for success. Know your subject. Make sure you have a deep understanding of the subject you're teaching. Your students will rely on you to guide them. Be patient and encouraging. Especially with tutoring, it's important to be patient and provide positive reinforcement to help your students succeed. Leverage technology. Use tools like Zoom, Google Classroom, and other teaching platforms to create interactive and engaging lessons. Conclusion. And there you have it. The 5 easiest ways to make money online for beginners. Each of these methods offers a unique way to earn money from the comfort of your own home, and they're all accessible to anyone willing to put in a little time and effort. Remember, the key to success in any of these ventures is consistency and dedication. Start with one method that resonates with you, and as you gain confidence and experience, you can explore other opportunities. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online.